Jai Srimanarayana. Fourth sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Manyase yedi tacchakyam maya drashtum iti prabho योगेश्वरा ततो मे त्वं दर्शयात्मानम् अव्ययम् ॐ Always be humble and desirous to know everything about Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall always be humble and desirous to know everything about yourself. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 156th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Nalakubara Manigriva, they became both trees, started living in front of Yasoda's house and waiting for Sri Krishna Paramatma. And Krishna, now he is thinking, Rusher Bhagavata Mukhyasya Satyam Kartum Vacho Harihi. In order to make all the Narada Maharshi's words true, I have to go and uplift this Nalakubara Manigriva. That is why Sri Krishna Paramatma Jagama Shanakaihi Tatra Yatrastam Yamalarjunau. Slowly he is coming towards those two trees while pulling that wooden churning machine. So he came out, but that wooden pedestal turned out. It is not coming out through the between from those two trees. So this side Krishna, that side wooden thing. Ityantarena Arjunayoho. He is pulling with Dama Udarena Tarasa Utkalita Angri Bandho, because he is tied with a rope around his stomach. He is now pulling and pulling with that rope. He is now, while pulling, he totally unrooted both the trees. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 4th sloka. Manyase yadi tachakyam maya drashtumiti prabho yogesvara tato me tvam darsayatmanam avyayam. Manyase yadi tachakyam maya drashtumiti prabho yogesvara tato me tvam darsayatmanam avyayam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.